Hi, Meal Masters. Good evening. I hope you are doing well this Tuesday evening. I am your host, Dr. Monique May, board certified family physician and founder of Physician in the Kitchen. And through my home meal delivery service, cookbooks, and cooking utensils, I help busy households enjoy healthy eating without impacting their hectic schedules. Coming to you late tonight, but I wanted to jump on. I hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving holiday. Hope you were able to spend it with loved ones, whether by blood or chosen, and that you had a good time. And hopefully you were able to not totally wreck your dietary goals, that you were able to eat in moderation. I took a few days away just to enjoy time with my loved ones, but now I'm back. It's Tuesday, so 5 days afterwards, so you hopefully have survived Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday, and you probably should be done with those leftovers by now. Actually, true story, we had so much food at my mom's. My mom hosted this year, and we were able to have family and friends over. We had so much food that we actually forgot to eat the turkey. We had roast, we had ribs, we had ham, and so the poor little turkey just got totally ignored. So I repurposed that today into faux chicken turkey salad. So instead of chicken salad, I made turkey salad out of it, and it really tastes about the same, really. So that's an idea or a tip. If you've got some turkey left over, just chop it up, put it in your food processor, add some onion, celery, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you like to put in there, and make a salad. Make a chicken salad or a turkey salad out of it. You can also put it in a casserole with some vegetables and some pasta or potatoes and like a cream of celery or a cream of mushroom soup. Give it a nice base, thick base, almost like a pot pie kind of thing. And you can even put like a crust on top if you want to turn it into a pot pie. So you got some options there. But I wanted to also share with you guys something that happened yesterday. I was informed today that there was actually a fire at my commercial kitchen. So those of you know, I do my home meal delivery prep, and my vegan pound cakes are prepared in a commercial kitchen that I rent space in, and they had a fire yesterday, a small fire. Fortunately, it just affected one area, one wall. I think they think someone left something that was smoldering in the linen bin and caught fire. So wasn't able or won't be able to cook this week because they've kind of pushed everything back, and that affects the day of the week that I normally go. So a little bummed about that, but just wanted to share with you guys that, sometimes setbacks happen, but you just dust yourself off and keep going. Fortunately, my customers have been very understanding, and they were actually concerned more about me when I texted to let them know that I wouldn't be able to deliver the meals this week. And those of you who did purchase pound cakes from me for the holidays, thank you so much. Be sure to leave a testimonial if you enjoyed the cakes, and you've been telling me that you have. So be sure to post your comments about the cakes, and that way other folks might want to give it a try themselves. So I'm not going to stay on too much longer. Just wanted to jump on and kind of update you guys and let you know that there's a little tiny setback, but I'm going to see this as a positive, and maybe it just wasn't meant for me to be in the kitchen this week. But I'm going to come back better and stronger than ever with some new recipes. So I hope you all are enjoying your week so far. We've got almost halfway. Can you believe we are 22? What's today? The 3rd? 22 days away from Christmas. I have a Christmas baby, so my son is turning 16 next week. And so December is doubly special for me. So, and I'm looking forward to that. We're having a party, and he told me he's wanted a taco bar. So I will be preparing a taco bar. So I'd love to hear what suggestions you guys have for me to include on the taco bar. I have, of course, some ideas, but I'd love to hear some ideas and suggestions, because it might give me something different to try. And of course, I have to make his favorite, which is chocolate layer cake. So which gives me an idea. I need to come up with a vegan version, which I will be working on. So we'll have to see how that comes out. Shouldn't be too hard to make. So until next time, this has been Dr. Monique May, your board-certified family physician and founder of Physician in the Kitchen. And through my home meal delivery service, cookbooks, and soon to come cooking utensils, I help busy households enjoy healthy eating without impacting their hectic schedules. And as an early Christmas gift to my followers, be sure to go to myeasypesto.com. That's myeasypesto.com for a super easy brief video tutorial on how to make pesto at home. And there'll be more to come, but this is 12 days of Christmas, my first day. My gift to you is a quick and easy pesto recipe. So if you try it out, please post and let me know, and have fun with it. Until next time, good night.